Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to add sound to your Wan 2.0 videos generated using only 8 gigs of VRAM. As you can see here, I'm using a separate but simple workflow for this video because of out-of-memory errors. If we try to simultaneously generate video and audio with only 8 gigs of VRAM, it usually crashes. So a separate workflow is the best option for those of us with 8 gigs of VRAM. That way, you also have more control over your generations and you can only add sound to the videos you actually like. It takes around 3 minutes the first time, but after that, it drops to about 2 minutes. The workflow is linked in the video description and the pinned comment. Now, check out these generations. This is a direct follow-up to my previous tutorial. If you want to know how I generated these videos using only 8 gigs of VRAM and the exact workflow settings I used, make sure to watch it. The full step-by-step guide on how to generate these realistic Insta Ladies can be found in this video. I'll put the links in the description. Here in the Wan 2.2 workflow, you can enable this switch and generate both the video and audio simultaneously if you have more than 8 gigs of VRAM. However, you won't be able to use this feature if you have 8 gigs of VRAM or less. Now, you can use audio with 8 gigs of VRAM, but it has some issues with the frame rate. You can try it out for yourself. I created this separate workflow specifically for 8GB VRAM users. This model is really good with ambient sound. However, it has its limitations. So please don't expect perfect results every single time. Here you have all the links you need. Download them, go to the models folder inside your ComfyUI directory, and put your downloaded models in this folder. Then head over to your ComfyUI window and reload it. Make sure to click the drop down and manually select each model. Keep the frame rate the same as your original video. Here you can select the duration. Again, keep it the same as the original video. You can use this positive prompt for most of your generations. However, you can completely tweak the prompt to get optimal results. Here's the negative prompt. You can leave this empty. I only use this if the generation has loud background melodies or distortion. Here's where you should upload your video. You don't need to change any values in this node. So tell me how it goes for you in the comment section. Now, check out some of my live generations.